Hello, welcome to another video on my channel. Today I am testing NVIDIA's new update feature for the RTX cards, the 20 series and the 30 series, of being able to put a synthetic green screen in your background. And also, I figured might as well play one of those retro classic games. One of my favorite being
Hey,
Simpsons
I'm
Hit and Run.
endorsing a new cola, kids. And this one isn't poisonous to anybody.
That we know of.
New and improved Buzz Cola is made from only the
Man, you talk
finest
about the
sugars and
graphics
butters.
back in the day.
Plus, it has a special ingredient too hot for the FDA.
If I had
You
to
can
say one of
just
my
get up and
favorite
go. You need
sandbox
to do all the pathetic stuff you
games
have to do.
from the early
Try new
2000s,
improved Buzz
they'd have
Cola.
to be Grand Theft Auto San Andreas
Cola. Must
and
get Buzz
this.
Cola.
Local man ruins hot dog eating contest. Disqualified for vomiting.
All right, player one, Homer. Use the directional button or left analog stick to move around. This is called walking. Press the X button to jump and hold down the circle button to run. Anytime you're in the air, hit jump again to get a little extra push. Got it?
Alright, got it. Now talk to Marge.
Homie, somebody ate every dessert in the house. I need you to run to the store and pick up
Who
some
would
of
eat
that
all the
ice cream
dessert
with the miniature pies in it.
Must have been
besides
one of our
Homer?
kids. Probably Millhouse.
Okay, the Cola Caper. Go to the Quickie Mart and purchase some ice cream and cola.
Piece of cake.
I'm just gonna see if I can switch around these camera settings real quick. Invert camera control, yes. Okay. Alright, that should do it.
Press the triangle button to get into the car. And don't take all day. This is the tutorial.
Bart's always got
Okay,
something slick
homeboy,
to
here's
say.
how you drive this crapbox. Press the X button to accelerate and use the left analog stick or directional button to steer. The circle button is your brake and reverse, and the square button is your handbrake. You know, just like every driving game ever.
Yeah, it's just like every driving game in the early 2000s. When I would use R2 and RT to drive.
I'm a lean, mean speed thingy.
They start the game not even 5 minutes
That's the stuff,
and I'm already
psycho.
crashing into
And
something.
so it begins.
That? Ooh, brain like shiny.
Use coins to purchase
Yeah,
cars and
Those shiny
clothes.
things are called coins. Whenever you get enough of those, you can get a cool surprise.
Yeah, thanks for the info, Bart.
What?
Okay.
That wasn't part of the deal.
Press triangle here.
Do not press means press right away.
I know. I was supposed to go inside the Quickie Mart.
You can go inside certain buildings by pressing the triangle button. Ugh, why did I agree to do this stupid tutorial? It is so boring.
I don't know, you tell me. You're the one doing it.
Hey, Apu, give me a cola and I need another bucket of ice cream with mini pies.
What happened to the ice cream with mini pies your wife bought this morning?
I probably ate it. I don't remember stuff too good.
Uh-huh. Thought it was you.
Congratulations, Homer. Mission complete. Go back home and talk to Mom to start the next mission.
Alright, a simple fetch quest. Go to point A, pick up ice cream, and go back to point B. And this time try it without crashing into anything.
Sweet.
Oh my god, I just killed Marge.
No. You don't do that. Homie, Lisa left for school without her science project. Can you get it to her?
Oh, do I have to?
You can drop it off on the way to work.
I mean,
And I have
I
to
can
go
try to
to
get
work.
it, but I make no promises.
It's crashing time.
Alright, drive to the school. Yep, sorry about that. I'll fix that when I come back. Second place, Race Principal Skinner. Okay, shortcut it is.
Pick it up there, people.
Oh my god.
Ooh, the vibrations
Oh,
are
I don't think so. You are not winning this race.
Take that. Lousy, rotten, karmic retribution.
For real. Hey, you're endangering people on the road.
No. Wait a minute. That was an insult. I didn't do it.
Yep, just like typical Homer, park on the grass in school property. Alright, time to find Lisa. Where could she possibly... Oh, there you are.
Thanks for bringing me my model of the digestive system. Hey, where's the gallbladder?
I got hungry and it was a fig.
It was modeling clay.
Oh.
By the way, Dad, Mom called. She says she needs to talk to you at home before you go to work.
Ow! In your face!
So now I gotta go speak to Marge again. Crazy to think that a game made in the early 2000s had so many things to do besides the actual linear story.
Bart did it.
Okay, let's go back and see what Marge wants. But first, let's fix up our car. It looks a little beat
Way to
up.
go, Homer. You the man. Collecting wrenches fixes your car.
Hopefully, we can actually keep it fixed this time.
I am evil Homer.
That wasn't
I
me.
am evil Homer.
That was somebody else.
There are a bunch of these scattered in each level. Little surprises are hidden inside each one. Be sure to come back again to see if there's something you missed.
Yep, little collectibles. Alright, Marge.
Homer,
What can I do
talk
for
to
you?
Flanders. He seems miffed and PO'd.
Why me? I'm the world's greatest
Flanders
painter. I
PO'd?
could have a mug to that effect.
Ned Flanders? Could possibly imagine what could have PO'd Ned Flanders of all people. I bet that's probably what PO'd him in the first place. Oh god, he's still falling. Alright, time for you to stop falling. Come on, get up.
I'm all in a dither, Homer. So many of my possessions have disappeared. I called the police to find the culprit.
Culprit, eh?
Ah,
Lawnmower, my cooler, my lawn chair, a family portrait, even Rod's inhaler. What kind of sick individual would take this stuff?
Oh no, I borrowed all of Flanders' stuff. Quick, think of an excuse to get out of here. Excuse me, I think I have to go shuck some corn.
so all of the problems revolves around Homer.
Sweet!
First, the ice cream. Gone. Now, all of Ned Flanders' things. Gone. I'll just take one of these.
Hey, I found my lost nachos.
40 seconds.
Eat my
Find Flanders tuxedo. That shouldn't be too hard, considering it's right in front of me. Okay,
What's next?
tuxedo,
I gave it to
check.
Barney.
Lawnmower, check. Now, we gotta speak to Barney for some reason.
I wish I had a dog with a saddle.
Let's see what he has to say.
You remember that cooler I gave you for your birthday? Well, Flanders wants it back.
Now what will I use for a toilet?
Oh, I'm definitely not cleaning that if Barney's used it, of all people. I gotta go find the chair.
Move it!
I feel like they seem very generous with the time limit.
Almost done. Now I need Flanders' stupid picture of a stupid family.
Why would you take a picture of their family? What would you need that for?
Okay, last one. Now where did I leave Rod's stupid
Oh my god.
Duh, on top of the dump truck.
I hope they had insurance. Okay, last but not least, the inhaler. That for some reason I decided to take.
Dinghy goes up. Now to return
Okay.
the truck before the cops find me sitting around talking to myself.
Now we gotta go drive back to Flanders and give him all of his stuff that I borrowed and forgot to return.
Get out of my way, jerk ass!
Man, I swear some of these people just don't know how to drive on the road. Me included.
Flanders, look! I found your missing stuff! Now, about the reward.
Thanks, neighbor Rooney. Here's your reward. A prayer from the Lord's #1 fan. Our Father in heaven, bless this noble oaf.
Stupid Flanders getting happiness from religion. I am so smart. I am so smart. S-M-R-T. I mean, S-M-A-R.
Alright, that is where I'm going to cut the video off. If you want to see more, like and subscribe. And comment down below what you'd like to see next. And stay tuned for my next video. Peace out.